guys, it's your boy Skixel here, back with another video. So today is my first unboxing video. So I'm going to be unboxing. If you haven't liked the video, go like the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. And if you haven't hit the bell yet, hit the bell. Okay guys, so I have the box right here. And I'm going to try to open this thing up.
That was loud. They're over there.
Here it is. Yes. This is it in all of its glory. I need to open this. Oh wait, maybe I don't have to use this. This is okay. Wow. Just wow. And the 2 pieces, nice. So this is the thing. So, oh, okay, that. So it's bendy, so you can wrap it around things if you want. Then you have this thing, so I have to put this on. I have a remote here. What is this? Camera 360. I don't know what that is. Something with Android and that over there. How do I put this on? Do I just screw it on here? Oh, I guess I do. Okay, that's nice. So I got that on. Oh, I want to straighten this now. Okay, it's straightened. So we have that now. Let's see. Mole! Okay guys, I got it working. So I have my camera on the tripod now. So I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if I do this. I wonder if you can see the legs. Yeah, there's one of the legs. If I do that. So Sorry if my hand's in the way. Okay, so I have that now. I don't know what this is. I have this. I don't know what to do with this. So it says, oh wait, it was upside down. It says Camera 360 iOS, and then it says Android on this, so I don't know how to do this. I'll try to figure that out. Okay guys, that's gonna have to wrap up the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If we get, I'm gonna say 6 likes on this video, I will do a house tour. So it's not gonna be one of those things where I say, hey, let's hit this amount of likes. We hit like half the goal, and then I do it anyway. It's not gonna be that. This is going to be like, you have to give me 6, you have to get 6 likes pretty much. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh yeah. Sorry. So, peace.